I'm seeing a good question about splitters. What about people who are going to rely on a high LSAT score to compensate for other, sins in the application? And that's what I've normally told people who have some kind of rocky thing in the rest of their application. Maybe it's a disciplinary problem or, some problem on the transcript. A really high LSAT score forgives a lot of sins at most schools. However, if for whatever reason you don't have the option this coming cycle to take the LSAT and get a nice high score, you're right. You're absolutely right. That is not going to work in your favor. I was doing an interview earlier today on Bloomberg TV where the person doing the interviewing said, this will be lowering standards if a college goes test optional. And I said, actually, no. What it does is it shifts the burden on the other parts of the app from the LSAT or the undergrad case SAT, ACT. It shifts the burden away from the standardized tests and it shifts it over to the other parts of the application, including your transcript, right? So if your transcript is not awesome and you are relying on a high LSAT to make this magic work, not a great situation for you. I don't have a great answer other than, you're going to have to come up with an interesting and true addendum to give them some context about what went on there, because you're not going to have the luxury potentially of a score to counterbalance that.
Thanks for tuning into the show. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already to be notified of new episodes as I release them. And feel free to reach out if you need anything at all as you move forward with your prep. I'm happy to help however I can. In the meantime, I wish you all the best and take care.